A very happy good morning to all of you. Students, today we are going to start with a new chapter, Components of Food. Now, we all know that we eat food, right? We eat food every day. So, can you just tell me that why do we eat food? Many of you will answer that, ma'am, we need food to get energy, right? But do we eat the same food every day? No, of course not. Now, is it a need or a choice to eat variety of food? Means we don't eat the same food every day. तो ये एक need है या we don't like to eat same food every day? So students, I want to tell you that it is the need of our body that in order to have all the nutrients for the proper growth and maintenance of body, we need different types of food. Okay? Now, what are nutrients? Nutrients are the substances present in food which we need for our growth and development. ये वो चीज़ें होती हैं फूड के अंदर जो हमें चाहिए होती हैं हमारी बॉडी की ग्रोथ के लिए और उसकी प्रॉपर डेवलपमेंट के लिए. एंड इन्हीं न्यूट्रिएंट्स को हम क्या कहते हैं बच्चे? These are called components of food, which is our chapter. Components of food. So, in this chapter, we are going to study that what are the major components of food, why do we need them, what is their use in our body, what will happen if these components are not present in proper amount in our diet. Okay, so this all we will do. Now, food majorly contains 5 components or 5 major nutrients. First is carbohydrates, second is fats, third is proteins, fourth is vitamins, and fifth is minerals. Okay, now first is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates gives us energy and it is also the major part of our diet. Okay, like we get it from bread, we get it from wheat, we get it from rice we eat. So the major part of our diet gives us carbohydrates. Now carbohydrates are of two types, simple and complex. Simple carbohydrates like sugars and complex carbohydrates like starch. Sugars are present in the form of like glucose, fructose, sucrose, lactose. ये सारी sugars होती हैं. Okay, and from where do we get it? We get it from honey, normal sugar, jaggery or fruits. Fine. Even the chocolates, juices, toffees, they also contain a huge amount of sugar. Fine, students. Then the complex, as I told you, is starch. Now starch is the form in which the plant store their food. जो स्टार्च है ये प्लांट्स की स्टोरेज यूनिट होती है. ठीक है, प्लांट्स की अंदर जो उनके कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स होते हैं वो किस फॉर्म में स्टोर्ड होते हैं? स्टार्च की फॉर्म में. ओके, एंड वी ईट इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ राइस, व्हीट, मेज, पोटैटो. इस सब फॉर्म में हम इसको प्लांट्स से लेते हैं. ठीक है. देन प्रोसेस्ड फूड कौन सा होता है? जैसे ब्रेड हो गया, पास्ता हो गया, मैगी हो गई. ये दिस ऑल्सो is a source of starch for us. Okay, students. Now, how these carbohydrates get digested in our body? Firstly, carbohydrates gets converted to glucose. Then this glucose is absorbed by the blood. Then blood, when do its circulation, carry this glucose to different body parts and thus releases energy there. Okay, blood moves to all body parts. So the body part which is in the need of energy, blood delivers this glucose there. जहाँ पे एनर्जी चाहिए होती है ब्लड वहाँ पे इस ग्लूकोज को दे देता है. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स. वाई कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स गेट्स कन्वर्टेड टू ग्लूकोज ओनली? बिकॉज ग्लूकोज इज द सिंपलेस्ट कार्बोहाइड्रेट. ओके, दिस इज द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. सो आपको कार्बोहाइड्रेट समझ आ गया होगा. लेट अस रिवाइज इट फास्टली. Carbohydrates gives us energy and it is the major part of our diet. It is of two types, simple and complex. Simple is normal sugars like sucrose, glucose, fructose, all these we get it from honey, normal sugar, etc. Then complex sugar is starch, it is obtained from plants. Then how it is digested? Firstly, the carbohydrates are converted to glucose, and this then is absorbed by blood, and then it is carried to different part of body by the blood only. Okay. Then the second component of the food is fats. Fats is also the source of energy. These are the energy reserves of our body. Okay, even they produce more amount of energy than carbohydrates. Whenever there is energy, or there is whenever there is shortage of carbohydrates, our body gets its energy from fats. Okay, now as I told you that these are the energy reserves of our body, मतलब हमारी एनर्जी की स्टोरेज है ये हमारी बॉडी के अंदर. ठीक है, तो वेयर इट इज स्टोर्ड एज अ लेयर अंडर द स्किन. स्किन के नीचे फैट्स स्टोर की जाती है. देन इनका और क्या क्या काम होता है? एक तो एनर्जी देती है, सेकेंडली दे जस्ट कीप्स आर बॉडी वार्म एंड ऑल्सो protects our body from the shocks, jerks. Okay, then these adds, जो फैट्स होते हैं ये हमें कहाँ से मिलते हैं? जैसे ऑयल, घी, इन सब से. सो ऑयल एंड घी दीज ऑल ऐड फ्लेवर टू द फूड एंड इंक्रीज देयर पेलेटेबिलिटी. पेलेटेबिलिटी क्या होता है? कि जो खाना है वो ज़्यादा देर तक ख़राब नहीं होता. ओके, देन बट एक्सेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग इज बैड. सो अगर आप एक्सेस ऑफ फैट्स लेते हो देन उससे आपको ओबेसिटी हो सकती है. ओबेसिटी एक डिसीज़ है. इट इज़ अ डिसीज़ व्हेन यू गेट मोर ऑफ फैट. ओके, व्हेन यू गेट मोर फैट, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? ओबेसिटी. नाउ ओबेसिटी can lead to many other health problems, like it can lead to high blood pressure, it can lead to heart problems, it can lead to eyesight problem, it can lead to the problem in nervous system. So many problems can come if you are obese. Okay students, fats are good for us, but excess of fats are not good for us. Okay, then from where do we get the fats? I told you we get the fats from oil, ghee, potato, then from banana, then from breads. Okay students, from all these things we get the fats. So next part of the components we will do in the next video. Thank you students, have a nice day.